Go?
Yeah, go.
All right. Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat. I'm going to use a Lukat. This is the paint cleaner. Look at the quarter panel on this paint job. I want to show you how quickly and easy it is to use. When you use this, it's not wax, so I'm not going to do circles. You just go back and forth like this. Look at that. Okay, this is a cleaner. It's not wax. Look how beautiful that's coming out. This is an old enamel. Now, if you have an enamel paint job, they're going to be chalky and flat. You're going to see the paint come off. They're very easy to clean with this stuff. And because we're cleaning, not waxing, we're fixing the paint. So look how beautiful that's coming out. Okay. Okay, now, once you do that, look how beautiful this comes out. So, there's no wax. This product is not a wax. Listen, no wax at all. Now I'm gonna put some wax on, but this is what we call sealer wax. It's gonna seal this job you just did. Okay, this one's called Easy Wax. All right, and you just put it right on like that. Look how beautiful that's coming out. How long we in?
1 minute, 24 seconds.
So in a minute, 24 seconds, I cleaned up that part, okay? And let the wax dry because this seals it up. So you clean the paint first to remove the contamination that's on the color and gloss. And then once you clean it, the sealer seals it up. Look how beautiful that comes out. So use this to fix your paint, guys. When wax does not bring out a shine anymore, it needs to be clean. And you want to use a paint cleaner, it's called Lukat Fix It. That'll clean your paint, bring it back. Look how beautiful that looks. It's gonna stay like that. Then you seal it up with this. That's what you want to use, guys. Lukat Fix It. Look us up online at lukatdetail.com. That's L-U-K-A-T detail.com. Tell your friends about us. Check us out. Got questions? Call the numbers in the About section or just go to the website, give us a call. This stuff is amazing. It'll save you thousands of dollars. Look how beautiful that came out.